Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.